வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்டோட இங்கிலீஷ் அசைன்மெண்ட் ஆன்சர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோமன் ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங். சூஸ் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் த அண்டர்லைன் வேர்ட். அண்டர்லைன் பண்ண வேர்டுக்கு கரெக்டான மீனிங்கை சூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஹி வாஸ் சோரிங் கிராஜுவலி. ஆன்சர் ரைசிங். தே வேர் beckoning டு ஹிம். ஆன்சர் காலிங். சூஸ் த ஆண்டனிம்ஸ் ஆஃப் த அண்டர்லைன் வேர்டு. அண்டர்லைன் பண்ண வேர்டுக்கு கரெக்டான ஆன்சரை சூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஹி ஃபெல் அவுட்வேர்ட். ஆன்சர் இன்வேர்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், தே லாஃப்ட் அட் ஹிஸ் கவர்டஸ். ஆன்சர் bravery. Find out the odd one. Brother, sister, mother, grandson. Grandson is a odd one. Next, part B, second Roman. Answer the following. Why did the seagull fail to fly? Answer, the seagull was afraid of falling from the ridge and hurting itself, so it failed to fly. Second one, what was the first catch of young seagull's older brother? The herringfish was the first catch of the young seagull's older brother. Third question, why did the young bird utter a joyful scream? Answer, the mother picked up a piece of fish and was flying across his throat to feed the young bird, so he uttered a joyful scream. Part C, detailed answer. Describe the struggles underwent by young seagull to overcome its fear of flying. Answer, the young seagull looked down the vast expanse of sea. He was hungry. His parents had left him alone on the rock without food. They could fly, and he could not. He had tried several times. He had afraid that his wings would not support him to fly. His parents had tried many ways to make him fly. He felt that he was starving to death. His mother was tearing a piece of fish with her beak. The sight of food maddened him. He cried, but she just screamed back mockingly. Suddenly, he felt the joy seeing his mother approaching him with the food, but she kept the fish just out of his reach. Maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish, but his mother flew upward and he started falling. He was frightened, but the next moment he realized that he was flying. He had made his first flight. Poem Life, Part A. One more question. Read the following line from the poem and answer the question given below. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. Whom does the word me refers to? Me யாரை ரெஃபர் பண்ணுது? Answer, poet. Select the right meaning of forward. Forward ஓட கரெக்டான meaning ahead. Third, give the opposite of the word unreluctant. Unreluctant ஓட opposite reluctant or willing. New friendship, high adventures and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest. Choose the meaning of crown. Crown ஓட meaning feeling happy. Next, find out the meaning of quest. Search. Part B, answer the following in the sentence. So let the way, winds up the hill or down, o'er rough or smooth. The journey will be joy, still seek what I sought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventures and a crown. Question, how is the way of life? The way of life will not be smooth always. Second question, how should be the journey of life? The journey of life should be joyful. Third, what did the poet seek as a boy? The poet sought new friendship, adventures and prize as a boy. Part C, write in detail. First one, quote from memory. Let me start பண்ணி back in fearல finish பண்ணணும். Memory poem இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear. Next, second question, describe the journey of life as despite in the poem by Henry Van Dyke. Life is an experience. It should be lived without hurry. A clear sense of purpose drives the mind and soul. We should not worry about the past and fear about the future. We should embrace the present with happiness. The way of life will not be smooth always. There will be ups and downs. We should face all with a smile in our face. Our imagination should have the innocence of childhood. It seeks new friendship, adventures, and experiences. It will enrich us. We hope it will be the best for an optimistic traveler in the journey of life. Next grammar part. Answer the following. Complete the sentence using appropriate models. I will win this singing contest. You can buy this book. Pungodai can speak several languages. I swear I won't tell lies. You should do as I say. Next part B. Change the following into other voice. Ravi plays football. Football is played by Ravi. Second, you are making a cake now. A cake is being made by you now. Third question. Please call him at once. You are requested to call him at once. Please do not walk on the grass. You are requested not to walk on the grass. Rosie will solve the problem. The problem will be solved by Rosie. C. Third Roman. Write in detail. Answer the following. Prepare an attractive advertisement using the hints below. கீழே கொடுத்துருக்க ஹிண்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம அட்ராக்டிவான ஒரு அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் ரெடி பண்ணணும். இந்த மாதிரி மாடலில் நீங்கள் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் ரைட் பண்ணுங்கள். Next, supplementary The Tempest Part A. Choose the correct answer. Ariel was the chief of all spirit. The second human being that Miranda saw on the island was Ferdinand. Miranda was brought to the island 12 years ago. Prospero raised sadded full storm. Gonzalo had provided Prospero formerly with books and provision. Next, part B. Rearrange the following sentence in content order. Answer 5, 3, 1, 4, 2. இந்த ஆர்டரில் நீங்கள் ரைட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Part C. Answer the following. Read the given passage from the lesson and answer the question given below. இந்த பேராகிராஃபை ரீட் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். Question 1. Who went to fetch Ferdinand? Ariel went to fetch Ferdinand. What did Ariel tell Ferdinand? Ariel told Ferdinand that he would take him soon to Miranda. Whose voice did Ferdinand follow? Ferdinand followed Ariel's voice. Where were Prospero and Miranda sitting? Prospero and Miranda were sitting under the shade of a large tree. Question. Had Miranda seen a man before in the island? Miranda had not seen a man before in the island other than her father. Unit 1 assessment complete பண்ணிட்டோம். இதில் இருக்க ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.